No one ever taught me how to shave. Not my father, not my friends, and so I learned on my own. A razor in hand and a mirror before me, trial and error, hesitation and hope. I had seen DE razors before, I had heard stories of a different kind of shave, but I never tried it, I never knew, until now. Shaving is more than just removing hair. It's a pause in the day, a moment to reset. One day, I'll teach my kids how to shave, and I'll start with a DE razor, not just because it's a staple, but because it's a skill worth learning. When I picked up the Zamchi razor, I felt it solid and steady, built to last and no compromises. The grip felt secure, the balance just right, and the longer handle at first felt unfamiliar, it soon became natural. The blue stands out, it's distinct and recognizable. And I tested different blades, but Zamchi stood out because it was sharp, precise, and just the way I like it. With a DE razor, the shave is yours to shape. You craft the experience, it's your ritual to savor. I am still very much at the beginning of my journey, but that's the beauty of it. With every shave I learn, with every stroke I refine. And one day, when my kids ask me, I'll be ready.